Welcome to my driveway, my dudes.
Today I'm going to be taking a look at changing the headlight bulbs on a Toyota Corolla Fielder Hybrid.
So this is the headlight. You'll see you have your indicator here, looks like a parking light there, and just one light in here. So that's going to be your headlight and your dip and your full beam. We'll have a look under the bonnet, so check that out. I'll leave the video in the description below, and let's get into it. So we got 1, 2. This side seems like it's a little bit easier to see, so let's have a quick look. So this is it here. So we have the plug, it's a rubber cover. It should be pretty straightforward to remove. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do this with one hand because I haven't really got anywhere to put my camera. So I apologise for the shaky video. So this should just pull straight off. It's a bit sticky. Time. Yeah, so it just slides off. It's covered in what looks like contact grease, and then this should pull off these little tabs. Don't know if it's visible. Looks simple enough. So you've got a little spring and a little hook. So push this down. Just need the right position. Then that lifts up, or yeah, that swings up, and the bulb is loose. So make sure not to touch the glass, and we have the bulb. Let's take a closer look at this bulb. Okay, so I'm being careful not to touch the glass on this now. A closer look. So we got the 3 pins, 3, and then we have these 3. These are usually for fitting. What is written on it? Kyoto, Japan, H4. This is H4, 12 volt, 60, 55 watt, 37, or E4 2CNU. 60020. So this is very likely a H4 bulb, 12 volt, 60, 55. So 60 would probably be your dip, 60 watt, 55 watt. Okay, so I'm using my phone now, so apologies for any difference in video quality. So this is your hinge, and let's see if we can get the bulb back in. So there would be only one way for the bulb to go back in, and make sure if you touch the glass part, make sure that you clean it with alcohol, or if any grease gets on the glass part, make sure you clean it with alcohol. So that's that. And then this bottom of this has to hook around. It's pretty simple, just push it until it hooks. Just remove it, push it around, then it's back in. Then we'll replace the rubber. Let's see if I can do that still. Okay, I don't think there's a top or bottom to this, just make sure that a tab is at the top and a tab is at the bottom, and that your 3 pins fit through, and then just push it on. Seems like it clicks into place. And then this should only go on one way as well, so you have the 3 and it just pushes straight back on.
Thanks for watching my video today. I hope you found it useful. If you did find it useful, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and remember, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, but it supports our channel. Give it a go. Thanks very much. Have a great day.